This endangered bird species can only be found in one place on Earth. The Iguassu region harbors some of the world's rarest birds, thriving in pristine, protected habitats. At Expedition Juruva, you'll witness vibrant parrots, elusive woodpeckers, and dazzling hummingbirds, some so rare they exist nowhere else on our planet. Our 5-day journey immerses you in diverse ecosystems, where expert guides help you spot and identify dozens of unique species. Whether you're capturing photos, recording bird calls, or simply observing, we tailor every moment to your passion. Stand mesmerized at our hummingbird feeders, or track the sounds of forest dwellers few have ever seen. By choosing Tapira Expeditions, you're directly supporting local communities and conservation efforts that protect these irreplaceable creatures. This isn't just travel, it's a rare opportunity to connect with nature's most precious treasures while ensuring they thrive for generations to come.